Here we are on the second part of this video. It's going to be a bit more dynamic. Michal in just a few minutes was able to arrange a rally course on pavement, and as I said, we are going to have a 8-stage rally in which we are going to exchange our car each stage. So let's say if I do my first stage with my XV01, the second one is going to be done by me using the Michal's car. These are two different models. Mine is a XV01 on Pirelli tires. Michal is using a Xray
XB4 soft compound Tamiya rally block tires.
We are doing like that because we are playing, and it's not about who has the best car, let's say like this, but who is the best driver. Who's going to win?
Me.
Let's see. Michal, I'm ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Second stage for me. I'm starting with Michal's car. Let's see how it's going to be.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Pięć, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Trzydzieści.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Trzy 15.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Dwadzieścia dziewięć, 95.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. So we just did the first 4 stages of our rally. Now we are going to change the course and we are going to do it in reverse. Michal is driving amazingly. He is destroying me. Do you want to comment on that?
I destroy Dario because it's my garden.
Yeah, of course, because we are at his home. He knows perfectly this course and how the car handles here. By the way, what I see that we can see immediately, I put the time here between me and Michal. We can see his consistency, and this is for sure due to his great experience in RC rally. But I'm not giving up because in RC rally everything can happen. Maybe he's going to mess a stage, we don't know. So let's write in the comment your opinion about his driving style, my driving style, and let's meet again at the end of this improvised rally.
Dobra, gotowy?
I'm ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start!
Uff.
31-1.
Are you ready?
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. I'm ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start!
Pięć, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Ojej. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start!
Pięć, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
This run is terrible. Are you ready?
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Okay guys, the challenge is just ended. Michal won. What I can see from the times is that he has a much more constant and clean driving. We can see it also from the times that I will put somewhere here. And we can see his experience. I'm so happy for one thing, because Michal told me one thing that I can change in my XV01 in order to increase the steering angle, which is the most important thing. In fact, driving his Xray, I've noticed that he has a better steering angle, and it helps a lot. Michal, would you like to add something to this ending of the video, let's say?
I think if we are to comment the differences between the two models, I think Dario XV01 handles amazing, but for me it is even too much. This model has too much agility. It is much more nervous than my model. You can see my model is more stable. I have a more aggressive driving style, okay, but my model is more stable in the corners and in exit of the corners than Dario model. I think it's better suits my driving style, driving my model. Of course, driving Dario model fits his driving style, but I think his model is too much, even too aggressive for me.
You know what I've noticed? That your Xray has a better steering angle, but has a bit more of understeering. And that understeering, I think that allows you to do a bit mistakes, or be like, if you turn too fast, you have the understeer that helps you to correct. But if with my model you turn, it's very sharp and it turns immediately.
Yes. Yes, Dario XV01 is very sharp and very agile. That helps in more nimble track, the more complicated sections of a track. But in faster sections, I think my model was better. The longer, faster turns, the Xray handled better. Yes.
Okay, Michal, thank you for sharing with us your opinion. I think that we are going to meet again in the championship, or here in Silesia, or in Czech Republic, or in Krakow. And let's see who's going to win on the real stages, not here at your home.
Yes.
Okay, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to add something or have any questions. And see you next week with a new video. Ciao.
Ciao.